You mean vertically or in and out? Yeah. Right. Well, I mean, I think the problem is we fix it in one project and then there's like three that were done already, that we just haven't updated. So yeah, I'm guessing if we did fix it. Can we start in it? You said this was a new project, right? Okay, so then no, it doesn't. It's not going to apply to that then. So let's see what's going on then. Okay, so the first thing that jumps out at me is this big red thing over here, and I don't know what is this. Looks like the carcass. Yeah, let's revert it. Okay, so now it went yellow, so we want to do it one more time. Okay, one more time. Okay. And look at that. Magic. No, this is actually, remember we went red, yellow, and then green, and then I did it again? So somebody saved it as row level number one here, and then someone saved it also as project level, so it went back to project level, right? Or product level, I'm sorry. And then it went back to project level, which was the first green one, which maybe. So I did it again so it would just pull in the library one. Does that make sense? No, it goes up in stages. Well, yeah, I mean, in a new job. So I mean, let's just drop another one out. So whatever that product is, drop another one out. We'll look it right away. Because if it's saved back to the template that way, so this particular product I'm talking is saved to the template with those overridden features, then we need to do exactly what we did and revert everything and then save it back. Yeah, don't mess with anything. Just save it. Okay. So now let's take a peek. So see, this one is coming in right. So that's so far a good sign. Okay. Now see that? So that's telling me we got a product level or project level. No, product level. I'm sorry. Subassembly. So I'm just going to revert it twice just to make sure we're right. And then we're going to save it back to the template that way. But first, let me check the template. Options. Oops, they moved it. That's not what I wanted. And this is the sink cabinet, right? All of them do that. Oh, no. Products. And which one was this one? so this is not going to let me check that, but let's see. No, it's not going to let me open that. Yeah, it would be nice if we could get into product properties from that screen, but that's what you want to check for, is make sure everything is green when it comes in. So the gray is okay. That just means it's not turned on. Right. So let's just save this one back to the library. Sorry, wrong one. I thought we put this button out, didn't we? No, maybe we did before. Okay, so sinks. And then which one is it? Okay. All right, so that problem should be gone. Okay. It's okay. Nope, but I'll make sure we can figure that out. Which one should it be? But yeah, and what should the subfront be? A number 12. So 0.75 PL1 liner. Okay, that matches. So, okay, so this says sink subfront material name. Okay, so this is going right to the M, so that's why it's wrong. Okay, so yours is different. So I want to go and steal a formula from in here. Prompts. Let's find your materials. There we go. Okay, so this is what we want here. Yeah. Sucks. I left my coffee mug up. That's about it. All right. Yep. Yeah. Where's your notepad? Here. Here it is. It's not letting me pick that. Can you pick that for me? Okay, so this is a global issue actually. So this is gonna affect all your sink cabinets. Yeah. So let me see. Oops, right there. And we don't care if it's open finish or not. It's always going to be the door material. All right, so we'll do the VLOOKUP. Exterior material designation. And cabinet body. Materials number 12. Let's see if we can do this in one shot without messing it up. Name error somewhere. Oh, this is not right. This is called lookup table. Cabinet body materials. There we go. So now, there you go. Right, so now we'll save it to the library. And now that one is gone. Boom. Sometimes.